October 2nd, 2018. A Saudi journalist arrived at his country's consulate in Istanbul. He was there for a document, a routine administrative task. He never walked out.
This 3D animation style, it's the same cinematic documentary look made popular by channels like Fern, the kind pulling millions of views and serious revenue every single week. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, completely free. I put together the exact master prompt behind all of this. If you want it, just comment prompt below and I'll send it to you. Now, let's get into the process. First up, you'll need a chatbot. Doesn't matter which one you roll with. I'll be using ChatGPT, but pick whatever works for you. Now, from the master prompt, copy every single word. Leave nothing out. One missing piece and the whole output shifts. Trust me on this. Once you've got it copied, jump into your chatbot, paste it, and send. That's it. You've just set the entire machine in motion. After a moment, it'll respond with something like this: 10 video ideas, each one built around that dark, cinematic documentary tone you're going for. Skim through them. Pick whichever grabs you hardest. Doesn't matter which one. So I just type 5 into the chat and send it off. Next, it's going to ask you how long you want the video to be. I'm putting in 2 minutes. That's the sweet spot. Hit send and let it cook. Now watch what happens. ChatGPT will hand you the full blueprint. Image prompts, animation prompts, voiceover script, sound design cues, everything mapped out from opening frame to final cut. It even throws in a title suggestion if you need one. One place, one output, the entire production plan. Done.
Now it's time to bring this thing to life visually. To get that look, I used Google Flow with very specific settings. Head back to your chat and grab that first image prompt. Set your aspect ratio correctly, bump the results number to 2, and for the model, pick Nano Banana 2. That's the one we're riding with. Now paste that first image prompt in. Hit generate. Give it a moment. Your opening scene, right in front of you. 2 variations. Look at both, pick the one that hits closest to what's in your head. Lock it in. Once that's done, jump back to your chatbot. Copy the second prompt. Return to Google Flow. Paste it. Generate. Seconds later, your next frame is sitting there ready. Again, choose the stronger option and move forward. This is the rhythm now. Chatbot, copy prompt, Google Flow, paste, generate, pick the best, repeat. Scene 3, scene 4, each one stacking onto the last.
Phase 2. We're adding motion. This is where everything starts feeling cinematic. Head back to ChatGPT and copy that first animation prompt. Then flip over to Google Flow and click into the Nano Banana tab. Now switch it to video mode. Important here. Set it to frames, not ingredients. Pick your aspect ratio, drop results down to 1, and for the model, choose VO3 Fast. It gets the job done without draining your credits. Now grab that first image you generated. Drag it straight into the timeline. Paste the animation prompt you copied. Hit generate. Wait a few seconds. Your opening clip is alive. On to the next. Pull your second image into the timeline. Jump back to ChatGPT. Grab the second animation prompt. Return to Google Flow, paste, generate. Let it process. Now your second scene is moving, and the whole documentary starts flowing naturally. Same rhythm for the third. Drag the image in, copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow. Generate, wait, and scene 3 is breathing.
This is where everything comes to life. The voice. This is what gives your story tone, pacing, and impact. Here's exactly how to replicate it. Go back to ChatGPT and find the voiceover section. Type this in, word for word. Give me all the voiceover prompts and make it ready to copy. Hit send. In seconds, you'll get a full narration script, clean, structured, ready to use. Copy it. Then move over to Google AI Studio. Choose a voice that fits a cinematic documentary tone and lock it in. Paste your script, generate. And just like that, your story has a voice. Once it's done, download the audio file,
and keep it ready for the next step.
Final step. Let's bring it all together. For editing, I used CapCut. Drop in all your clips, line them up on the timeline, add your voiceover on top. Now sync everything. Adjust the clip speed until every visual hits with the narration. Tighten the framing. Keep it clean. No distractions. Next, add text and background music. Keep it minimal, just enough to emphasize key moments. And for background music, to avoid copyright issues, use safe tracks from YouTube Studio, or I'll break that down properly in the next video. Once everything feels smooth, cohesive, finished, export. And that's your final video. Here's what the final result looks like.
On October 2nd, 2018, a Saudi journalist arrived at his country's consulate in Istanbul. He was there for a document, a routine administrative task. He never walked out. Inside the building, a team had already arrived. They were not consular staff. They had flown in hours earlier on private aircraft. Their purpose was not administrative. What happened next has been reconstructed through intelligence reports, audio recordings, and international investigation.